So hey guys, it's Evelyn or Fashion Story Gameplay here, back with another video. So today we are going to be doing the highly requested Fashion Story Visiting Neighbors number 6. So I have 7 people today to shout out, and please leave a like and subscribe if you are not. I will also be doing a bakery story video tomorrow and then a fashion story video. So we're going to be doing one video each day. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's not waste any time and let's get right into the shout outs. So the first shout out is going to be going to KS Designs. She's level 13 and she has a really nice pretty avatar, and her shop is stocked out, but I'm pretty sure she's going to stock it up more. I feel like she could definitely put some stuff right here in the middle since it's more of an open space, and it'll definitely look nicer if she puts some racks or maybe even some counters in the middle. But other than that, I really love her shop, the simplicity of it, and I just think it looks really nice. So the next person we'll be visiting is Enchanted 753, and she is level 7, and she has a really nice avatar, a simple white and black pants with a nice pink striped purse. And let's go ahead and give her some likes since I didn't yet. And her shop is really nice. Also could definitely use some more racks and counters to definitely get a lot of coins, and she could also definitely use some more changing counters because people will be leaving her store if she doesn't have enough of that. So thank you so much, Enchanted 753, for asking for a shout out. I think your store is really nice. Just make sure to add some more mirrors and changing rooms. So the next person we're going to be visiting is Leah's Boutique, and she is level 59 and a really gorgeous avatar with the green elf hat, I believe. A really nice white blouse with some nice shiny trousers and some black sneakers. I think that outfit's really nice, and so is her store. I love this little yoga section over here. I think it looks super cute and super nice. I also love this makeup section. It really looks nice in the store, and I love the little mini beach section. I also love this side, which is more of like the simple clothes where you pay and you get to try on all your clothes. I think this store overall is really pretty, and you're so sweet, Leah's Boutique, and thank you so much for asking for a shout out. So the next person we'll be visiting is Beach Party, and Beach Party is a level 63 and has a beautiful rose dress on, matching with the shoes and a nice red purse. And her store is really pretty. I love the blue to it. I really think that there's literally nothing. It's literally just so beautiful. I really love the walls. It really complements the floor of the store, and I like how it's not just all blue tiles. There's like a white cross going down the middle of it, and I think it's really pretty. And I just really love these mirrors, the mod mirrors. They just look so unique and just really add more to her store. So your store is really pretty, Beach Party, and thank you so much. So the next person we'll be visiting is Queen Boutique, and she's level 22 and has a really nice pink pastel blazer on with some nice jeans and pumps. And I think her store is really nice and small, and I just love all the little bits and bobs in her store. I just think it looks really pretty, and I love how everything is so nice and stocked. So I just think her store is pretty and nothing else, literally. I just think it's so pretty. So thank you so much, Queen Boutique. And now for the last 2 people, we have Gardania Shop, which is right over here, and she is a level 65, and she has a really nice pastel pink crop top on with a nice skirt to go along with that, along with the pumps. And I think her store is really nice. I really love these 2 seats here in the bottom corner because it really does make it cozy, like it says on the chair. And overall, I just like the theme of it and how she adds a lot of these small palm trees just to give it more of an accent to the tiles. I just think overall it looks so pretty, and honestly, I'm in love with her shop. So thank you so much, Gardania Shop. And last but not least, we have Girls Boutique. So Girls Boutique is level 50, and she has a really pretty all white avatar, which I think is so cool. And her store is so pretty. Let me just give it some likes because I forgot to. But I like how she has the puppy flooring right in front of each single change room, and this really cute small wintery, I guess you could say, section here. I just think it's so cute, and love if she made more sections in her store, because I think it will look really nice. But I love it just the way it is, so you don't need to change anything. I just think it looks perfect and it's unique to your own style. So thank you so much, Girls Boutique, and there is your shout out. So that's all the shout outs for today. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you guys want shout outs, then just comment it on my fashion story wall, not in the comments below. And make sure to leave your ID so that I know who to choose when I do give the shout outs. And that's basically all I have for you guys today. And please subscribe, please subscribe. It'll really help me out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.